rolling. Doing things a little differently today. Recording audio with the Minidisc player, and I have my wife next to me. But I don't know if this is gonna fit. I think this might have to be over here. Got this big box in the mail today from your buddies at DHL. Every time you see this, you know something's good. This is inside. Huh!
That's cute.
Little origami crane. Thank you for your purchase. So here it is. Here's the lot. Nice and weighty. Feel that?
Yeah. It's as heavy as her cat.
Yeah, it is. Cat's weight.
That's the big one.
Oh, wow. More packaging.
Ooh. I didn't fall.
Should we just do like a Jenga pile? How do we do this? Oh.
Like that?
Yeah.
I see a Merry Christmas label on one of them. Alright,
you wanna pick the first disc?
Which one?
Towers disc.
Let me do this one. I want to see this green one right here. I see kind of like a lime green.
Oh, you're actually doing a Jenga thing.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, neat. What is this one?
I don't know. It says, I don't know. It definitely has music in it.
Interesting. Huh.
There's like a little character on it. I don't know which one that is.
Already a rare disc. I've never seen this before. That's cool. Should we bother seeing if it's clean? Should we just do that another time?
You can just go through.
Oh, this is really just dusty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very cool. First disc. This is gonna be a long video. Very cool. My turn. Sweet story. Well, there's probably still music on all of these.
Yep.
Happy music, happy MD life.
Did they write that on there, or was
No, it's like on the disc.
Oh, yeah. See?
You're really picking the bottom one.
No, I'm not. I want to see the options. Okay. I want to marry you. Okay. We're getting off for a good start.
What is this? What is this sticker? That's cool. Are this like label major hits? Oh,
look at that one. Oh, it's this one. This is pretty cool.
That's sick. Minidisc players going crazy. Okay.
That's cool. Right. Did I turn it this way?
Most of them are like that, and then some of them are the other way.
Oh, I
But
see.
you'll figure it out.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, cool.
That one also
Is the same
is
one?
written too. Has something on it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Okay.
So we can put these together.
Let's see. This looks like it's clear. Okay. Nothing? Oh, that's just a blank one.
Oh, the regular niche. Cool. Common. Super common.
Yeah. Okay.
Here's one I picked. Oh, another one.
Oh, the okay, you can put it with the.
Happy life.
We'll put that together. This one, I am going for the bottom one this time.
Oh, interesting. Oh, cool.
Crystal gold. This one looks empty, maybe, but we'll see. We'll find out. Looks cool.
Yeah. Melodia. Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
Cool.
So far, I have not seen. We haven't picked up.
Any like really rare ones?
Yeah, I don't know if. I really hope we didn't get the short end of the deal. But we do have some nice ones. They're all pretty unique.
Let's do this one. Okay. Let's see.
Oh, the original 74s.
It's
Early
catchy.
90s. Early 90s, I think.
Let's see.
That's cool. Put this in the not so common. Well, they're all not common.
That's okay.
We'll sort them out later. Oh,
Oh, there's one of those again,
One of
but a
these.
different. That one's just a clear.
this one's like, I think, a different gen, maybe?
Oh,
Or
yeah.
clear.
Let me go for this one. Ooh, okay. It's cool. It's different.
I'm going for this one.
Looks like a plain one.
Oh, it is
It's a plain one. Oh, okay. Yep. Let's go for this one. The HEXA. That's not bad. It's like a nice dark blue.
Oh, what is that one?
The HEXA?
Oh, that one's nice.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen that one. Damn. Now I'm hoping to at least get one SC coding one. I'm sad. I haven't seen the other ones yet.
There's another one. Oh, slightly
the Colt
different.
74. What one's that? Oh, they're the same.
Yeah.
These are great. Wow. Very cool.
Violet. Let's go for this one. I see a different color.
Oh, interesting.
Oh, how do you open this one?
This one's a jewel case.
Oh, got it.
We got a jewel case.
Cool. Orange in the back. Not bad.
TDK. Ah, this looks like the Maxell Golds.
Let's go for this. Oh, there's another one. This one's a red, I think. Oop. Yeah, it's like more red.
Let's go for. It's another niche.
I think all of those
Yep.
you'll already
All
know.
the cloudy ones.
Yeah.
Huh? Orange TDK. Oh, this is an 80.
Ooh.
I have a lot of 80s. It's also been. It's pretty dusty here.
It's been used.
That's still pretty good. Cool. Oh, it's purple in the back.
Oh, cool. Blue.
Whoa, that's awesome.
Interesting.
And when you look at it in the light.
Yeah. Changes. Just a tech. Okay, it shows them more in the back. Cool. Okay, how about this one? This one goes from the bottom now.
Dude, I think we got gypped.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's go for the dark ones. Okay.
Ooh, ah. We have that already, I think.
Yeah.
Let's go for this one. Let's try our luck. Is it anything different?
Oh, a Premium? What is that? Oh, Prism 74.
Mm-hmm. Cool. Oh, different. Ooh, how about that?
What the hell?
What is that one?
Oh.
Okay.
What is that?
I don't. Oh, it's a.
TDK. Just M. I don't know if the MiniDisc player is doing so well. It's like shaking. Well, I mean, I'm pretty sure the mic is picking up that vibration. So we're just going to deal with the in-camera mic. This is cool. It's clear.
Let's see.
It's a nice color.
Yeah.
Wow. These are really uncommon. I've never seen these online.
Merry Christmas.
And trying to find just single ones of these online are definitely not easy.
Yeah.
Okay. Is this the clef? Oh, that's cool. One less. I've been keeping. I was hoping to get one of these at some point. I'm glad some of these are included. These are cool. They're the cloudy ones.
Pretty cool.
Nope. A Denon though. Wow. This is probably my first Denon.
Yeah, it is.
It's nice. The white is still white. Very good condition.
Now that's purple.
This is like lavender.
Yeah.
It's very pretty actually.
Oh,
Ooh,
got another one.
I like
This is
these.
the blue one. More.
Yeah.
It's the same one we got?
Yeah, I think so. Well, I
Gotta
cheated.
choose one. Yeah, choose one.
Cheated. There you go. This is the anti-shock Prism 74s.
Let's see, this is the last one, the last dark one. Let's see. Oh, okay. Fine.
We got so gypped. We have not come across the CS coatings at all.
No. You take the chance, you know?
Another cliff.
Oh, okay.
It's cool.
Okay, we got another one of these. Okay.
Minidisc player making a funny noise. Cheating. Okay,
Again.
here it is.
Another. Oh, okay, you're getting a lot more now. What was the third one now? This one is not. Okay. Yeah.
The XA74s.
Yeah.
That's cool. JVC crystal. That's pretty cool. They do look really nice. I'm glad we have some crystals.
What about this one?
Oh, I see something already. Oh,
Oh,
cool.
look at that. Ooh. Oh, it's moving. There you go. Well, look
We
at
got
that.
one mini jack. Is that what it is? A music jack?
Music jack.
Yeah. That's cool. I did want to get a music jack at some point.
Well, there you go.
I saw this.
Ah,
A Bianca. That's cool.
that's different.
You got one Bianca. Common, but still not quite as common as the clear ones.
Oh, it has a... Don't quite know what that one is.
Loti?
Right there.
I don't know.
It's getting covered by the
Yeah.
stickers, so... We'll find out.
Let's go for that one. Oh, cool. What is that?
I don't know.
It's an 80 minute too. What is that? That's cool. Don't know what the badge is, but it looks pretty awesome. Sick. I did get some nice ones out of the deal. It's not like I spent hundreds on this. I didn't realize how much of a hunt this would be.
This looks like a plain one. Yeah.
Niche. Oh, it's a niche 80.
Yeah. Only a few left. I like another one.
Oh, it did on. Cool.
Alright, what about this guy? Oh, it's another M.
It's a mystery disc. TDK. And a clef with, oh my god, a dust bunny. From Japan. There's Japanese dust bunny germs on this.
Alrighty. Another one.
They're different niches.
Yeah.
From different generations. It's very bleak. Wow. We got 0 CS coatings. Holy moly. I'm sad.
This is another name. This one is an M. And this one's also... Okay, yeah. They're different.
I don't care how cool their freaking crane is. I would like my CS coatings. So we clearly laid them all out. This is what we have received. Disappointed to find out that we didn't get the CS coatings, but it's okay. I guess that's what the hunt is for. Didn't realize it was going to be one. This is my first lot or batch from Japan, and I don't know how these things are supposed to go. If like when people list them, they're supposed to list the accurate batch, or are they just going to list a generic batch, or they bait you with rare discs and then they just give you a, you know, was it even 50? Did we count if this was even 50?
No, we did not count it.
Well, hopefully it's 50 at the very least. We got maybe what I'd call 1, 2. These are kind of rarish. These are kind of rarish to me. These guys are kind of rarish. They're all kind of about the same. But some of them are really difficult to find. And I don't think I've been able to find this one before. I don't know. We got some OG discs from back in the day. So yeah, not so rare. We got like semi-rare stuff.
I mean, we did get all of them though.
Yeah.
This is 50.
Thanks for watching all the way up to this point. Thanks for hanging out.